Spanish Manor channel, 1664, where life is anything but ordinary, from rolling up our sleeves for house and garden renos to exploring the beauty of our hometown and beyond in La Rioja, Spain. We're on a journey to live, laugh, and learn together. Join us as we dive into the art of making everything from soaps and creams and try our hand at a few crazy DIY projects. 3 kids, a dog, and a cat. We're sure to find chaos, but we wouldn't have it any other way. Life's a roller coaster, and we're just here to love every crazy minute of it. So come along, let's make memories, one adventure at a time. As you see, we are in complete construction. We bought this house in January of 2024, and we are now a year and a half in July of 2025, and many projects are underway, but continuing, and seem to never stop. We are trying to live a more simple, less toxic life with our kids, teach them how to experiment and try new things so that they can be healthier and happier. There are many different types of fiestas in La Rioja, and we try to take our kids and experience them so they can understand the history and culture in small towns of Spain. We explore all of Rioja, including local producers and shops of natural organic products so that we know what quality they are, the byproducts of them, and how we can use them in our own lives. Thanks for coming to Spanish Manor, 1664.